Okay, and then just really gently just bite together for me. Wonderful. That's perfect.
My name's Simon Rawlinson, I'm 43, from living in Nottingham. I'd received some inheritance money, basically. So I was in a position to do something about that. It was massively affecting my life. The confidence had gone massively, and it's to the point that I'd start mumbling in sentences because I couldn't speak properly, and then people couldn't hear me, and it was just a nightmare. But also I couldn't eat certain things because I just couldn't chew them. And it was something for my confidence and everything to get back out there after a very long time of not being out there. Spent about a decade just avoiding people.
So Simon was one of my favourite cases probably to date. Simon came to me with a full mouth of decay. He had suffered a lot, he'd had a very hard life. When we looked at his mouth and we assessed him, the conclusion we came to was that we had to remove every single one of his teeth just because they were rotten, he wasn't able to eat, he was having infections all the time.
I got a photo just saying, I've got this patient, needs all his teeth taken out and some dentures being fitted as soon as possible, really. We came up with a plan, a good treatment plan. The patient needed general anaesthetic to get through the treatment with 17 or 18 teeth being taken out and then dentures being put in on the same day. The immediates went really well. We used just a general milled denture set for the first set, but a couple of weeks down the line, his bone had resorbed, everything had shrank away. We knew we needed to either reline what we'd got or potentially try the new Stratasys TrueDent material. We asked the patient, perfect opportunity for us to try it with him as well. So took a couple of impressions on the inside of his current dentures and then 3D printed some dentures in the TrueDent resin, fit them 2 days later, one minor adjustment on one side, and the patient feedback we got was immense from him.
The TrueDent material the fit is incredible. It just fits perfectly, it's snug. It doesn't feel like plastic in my face like they have done. They feel smaller, but I don't think they are. I think they're exactly the same size. And they're lighter, I guess. But it's just the fit. It feels more comfortable and natural in my mouth. And it's just making me feel more normal and more confident. I feel better than the teeth I did have when I was born with.
Oh.
But they look real.
They do look really good. But
in fact, you can see the differences. I'm going to put it on the TV now so you can see.
Yeah.
This is the old set of dentures, okay? And this is the set that we've just put in your mouth.
Yeah.
And I think a more stark difference is this that I'm about to show you now.
More definition to it.
Yes.
Cool.
Oh my God, that's a change, isn't it? Yes, what you can see on this one as well is these lower teeth are biting the top gum. So what we had to do is give him some more space because he just didn't have room for teeth, even natural teeth. So even when he's done the extractions and all the gum shrinks away, we still have to open him up a little bit without compromising his jaw.
To be able to provide what we're providing to our patients is unreal, really. I mean, it's a life-changing thing. It's a confidence thing. It's restoring someone's ability to smile. There's nothing better than that.
It's fantastic to see the impact that our work at Prime is having on patients as well. It's a real benefit of me being in the clinics and seeing these jobs fitted, getting instant patient feedback in the clinics when we're fitting analogue dentures and then giving them a 3D printed set of dentures. Just give them as a blind test and every single time they're saying the 3D printed dentures are the ones they prefer. Is just a testament to the material, really, and it just shows that we need to sort of only produce what the patient wants us to produce. If they have a choice and they choose one thing over and over again, then we need to follow that as a lab and in the clinics as well.
The fact that I've got 3D printed teeth now is incredible. It's mind-blowing. It looks amazing. It's better than I thought that I imagined it could be because of where I was before. So this is actually incredible. I feel like that my teeth, they look like my teeth, they look real. So I'll feel that, I know I'm gonna feel it now. So I'm just gonna go straight out there and not be conscious or have to think about that at all. It's a really strange feeling and I'm really excited about just going out and doing stuff. So I couldn't be happier. It's amazing, it's changed my life.